right, so my people, we don't come back and we tell you before we go for a break, we tell you, say, Tiger, yes, Kylie Jenner boyfriend, in landlord, according to what we the year now, then to say, he don't they owe for 2 months. How much they owe? They say now $50,000 in they owe. He never pay. And as according to the news we hear say Kylie Jenner just buy a house of $2.7 million.
Tell your neighbor.
Hey, how old that girl be? 18 or so?
She just
the clock.
18.
She just they clock
when
18.
when she do the build a bit buy the house, she still be 17.
17. So God have mercy. And him they owe $50,000 according to TMZ magazine, where they bring out news for us from Obodo. They
sniff like
all the information. They say Tiger don't swam according to his landlord. Say he don't dey behind 2 months rent where he never pay for Posh Calabasa. Say the paid rent was supposed to be $250K per month. That's $250K where you supposed to pay every month. Now 2 months don't pass. He never still pay for the 2,500. You never pay. So why will you rent a house for that kind of amount when you are who? I don't understand. Meanwhile, the girlfriend buy, she no rent. The girlfriend buy, she no rent. They say so they don't reach out to a lawyer and opt in and then talk say they never hear anything. And they say this house now where him and Black China, been at China in ex-girlfriend, now we get PS for here. Yeah, we get baby for him, yes. Amber Rose girlfriend.
Our best friend.
Oh. Yes. So now dear, then they say up till now, they never hear anything from him or the lawyer. Sorry. Now the question, my ladies, now I feel say, now because of saying no, say in don't brokenness or enter into a level. Because you know when they live high standard, you get sometimes where you just won't cover up. You got to be around people where go make it happen. Now make they follow Kylie Jenner.
Oh, Queen B, when it comes to all these Black Americans, small chingom boys, I go put them like that. Anything they possible. Because for me, after the fact say in dates Black China.
Black China, yeah.
Black China now. Yes, and at the time, Black China and Chloe are
Black China and Kim Kardashian. I think she
friend one time.
Very good friend.
Very good friend.
She even featured during the Reggie Bush episode then. Yeah.
And then you can't leave the girl, the Black China, you can't say you know they do again. And then you can't go for her friend, younger sister.
Not be the one immediate.
I don't understand it. Not be immediate to
like
their
5,
last born.
7.
Now their last born. You follow their last born. I know that the kind shade when they try shade Black China, and everybody knows say Black China and a hustler on top of the matter. Yeah, you understand? So that one a different story. And then you can't decide say now, more way be say to say things no go well for your childhood, you go don't born her age. You say now that one, now you won't come follow. Say now that one you won't use cradle snatcher. Person will never even reach 18. I don't even understand why till now they don't take them up where they allow them. But that will not be my business. Now their family turn culture be that. For me, I feel say yes, it is possible. Say now because of her money, now in the chewing gum. But what in the boy don't know? Be say Kris Jenner never buy. And that one be like hawk where be say she go. They watch the girl say
she go suck the one where you get,
babe.
She go watch
and say this money you no go spend that money. Send them on man, I be man go spend on you. But at the same time, I know if we can't still vouch for the Kris Jenner again because only she too carry small pikin put for under her too, where she they also sort. So the family just they one kind. But me, I feel say Tiger they with Kylie because of his own selfish benefits.
Okay, bam. It get something where I know say we must supposed to talk on Friday. I will relate them to this one. Financial security. Hello.
How are you?
The guy need financial security. What is Kylie did there for?
Security.
Security. The guy broke. He sees a financial security. He got body. Hello. She pay. If he, you know, if you work out, God beat at the baby, go say, oh my darling, come stay in the house. You don't need to stay in that apartment. Forget about it. I would sort it. Mama, I don't need your attention. I would pay for it. And she will pay for the house. She don't clock the 18.
And she don't clock 18 now, so she
will do anything. Exactly. So if the guy just say, babe, you know, I'm really broke right now. I need to pay my fees. I need to pay my rent. She's like, oh, don't worry, we'll sort it over. And we pay. Oh, we go pay her. We go pay her. I did sharply. She could just carry the thing, bang. 500K go be now. That's 2,000.
2 months only.
That's 2 months only. She could just pay him without even
pay the debt. Baby moving. Of which they don't speculate rumors say they actually don't marry.
Yeah, because they actually see her with picture.
They see her, she used one picture where she used wedding band. So we don't know whether not just a speculate rumor or whether true they don't marry, because you get one episode or one recent episode where they do where waiting be that their papa mama name. Kathleen be there inside the episode where they talk the Kathleen mama they tell the girl of how she did very alike with her grandma and everything. Said the grandma married at the age of 18 and then they very alike. Then the girl can say sort of like me.
Wow, that one don't put some kind,
I shan't talk more than that.
No, we shall dig.
But let me tell you something about that family where me don't understand. You just pick the kind of life where you want to live, but their mother did there to make sure, when it comes to money, go bankrupt. The woman, that manager where she be, she didn't manage. She's a manager. She didn't manage you well. Say Kylie, somebody go say what thing she did do. Now she bring in this colored wave on, where she get line of colored hair right now. Where we say she dey make money like water. She dey really make money like water on top of that. So I give her kudos to that. And for her to fit buy a house of $2.7 million.
It's a big scale.
You try. And the only same person will get a real actual career for that house.
Kendall.
And she did very quiet,
No, people like us, we're quiet, so we just get our quiet lines,
All right, so my people, I'm even confused because of that word where you talk. You kwa? Amaka, you do it.
My people, my fellow Nigerians, Amaka, is I not a quiet girl? Is I not a quiet girl?
Drop us our Oscar video, back. You don't do. Thank you, Oshu.
Now, wow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.